Good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at this our goal for the day. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe. Check. I'm sure you've not subscribed. You must have found this video through the search link. So make sure you actually subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. So now take a look at this movement. First of all, before we place a trade on any assets, the first thing we would want to ask ourselves is that what is the trend for that movement? So we can take a look at this gold. We are on an uptrend move. Clearly, we can see an higher highs and an higher lows. Secondly, is that I have added this 10-period moving average. We can see that we are trading above our moving average, and once price is trading above moving average, then it is a bullish move. It is a buy, right? We have to look for like a setup to actually to go long. So this is what we are having on gold. So we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, which is 20th of December, well, that is on Tuesday, right? In order to be able to do that, we would first of all have an impulse move, then a correction needs to be made, right? We all know that. Then a new highs will be made, and here comes a correction on gold. Then again, a new highs needs to be made, and this we've gotten is a correction. And here comes a new highs that broke this previous highs, and here comes a correction, right? Then a new ice was made here. After this new ice, what do you expect? A correction needs to be made. Now, the question you would want to ask yourself, is this correction over? Well, I can tell you, yes, this correction is over. We are now on an impulse move. I know you might be saying, oh, but on the 19th, which is Monday, we actually opened and closed bearish. Now, just take that as a way. That is on a pullback, which is more visible on the 4-hour time frame. We will get into that soon. So just pay attention. Now, if you want to know to confirm if this pullback is over on this our gold, we would want to add our Fibonacci retracement tools, right? We are going to use our Fibonacci retracement. So we would start it from this bottom, as you all know, and this is the level. You can see it is at the level of 23.6. And I do tell you guys that Fibonacci usually gets to two levels before it reacts. It either it gets to level of 23.6 or it gets to a level of 32.2. But right now, we can see that this price has gotten to a level of 23.6. Right, you can see Fibonacci at a level of 23.6, and now price is reacting, giving us a bullish move. So that is an indication, or that is to tell you that this pullback on our gold is over. We are now on a bullish move, so we should be speculating a bullish move for the next. That means we should see our gold open and close bullish for the next day. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually sees. So you can see it, right? Like I told you guys previously, you can see on the 4-hour time frame. Here is an impulse move. This is a correction. So the next movement will be seen is a new impulse move. Thereby, that new impulse move needs to break this ice, right? So guys, watch out for gold. We should expect to see our price give us a bullish move. We should, go bullish, open and close bullish by me. So watch out for it on this gold, right? Probably once this pullback is over, then you can go ahead to go long on this gold. So above all gold, we are on a bullish move. And when you take a look at this for 1 hour time frame, I mean, you can take a look at it, right? You can see multiple break of structure upward, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So let's see if there will be a pullback around this level, right? So you can see it at the price has even given us a pullback to that level, right? See it, I mean, take a look at the 1 hour time frame. So price has just rejected here. So we've seen price rejected it twice, 3 times, right? Price has rejected. Now price has dropped to this level. Let's see if price will actually come up, come again to this level, give us like a double bottom. Once it gives us a double bottom, then you can go ahead to go long on this gold. Above all, we should expect a bullish move on our gold for the next day.